Valley to valley, rainforest to the Rockies, we're so lucky to have these world-class ingredients in our own backyards and in our own communities. Yeah, I mean, wild BC salmon. There just is not another species in British Columbia that is as iconic as wild BC salmon. I mean, it's a keystone species. You know, for me as a chef, of course, I adore cooking it, I adore harvesting it, fishing it. You know, that there are hundreds and hundreds of important rivers, you know, hundreds and thousands of important streams that rely on that returning salmon to spawn, give life to future generations. And I just adore it. And we need to do everything we can to continue to protect it, full stop. Today is going to be a really extraordinary day for me as a chef. Truthfully, a really impactful one as we spend some time in Lillooet with the Xwísten Nation and learn from them how they harvest and preserve this incredible ingredient. This valley, what a spot. Salmon as an ingredient, you know, in British Columbia is the true expression of places like this.
Back in the day, especially during the winter time there, salmon would have made up like 90% of our diets roughly.
90%? I've lived in British Columbia my whole life, and I've been a chef for 30 years, and I've never seen wind-dried salmon before. It's just, I mean, the flavor is incredible, but the look is really spectacular. So what are all these wooden structures and things that are over here?
Those are the fish drying racks out on the rocks there. At each little rack there's usually one family group there processing salmon right at the rack. Like, yeah, on opening day, there was probably like between 600 and 800 people out here.
Right here?
Yeah.
No way.
At any time during the fishing season, there would probably be at least 300 people out here on the fish rock. Well, I've been coming down here to these same rocks and this same area here, catching salmon the way I do since I was 4 or 5 years old with my dad there when he first brought me down there. And I'm at that stage of my life now there too, where my nieces and my nephews there who are taking their own turn now to come down the river to come fishing. It's now my turn to pass on this culture and pass on this tradition to them there, for them to be able to do the same thing themselves in the future. Mm-hmm. On a good day, you could easily catch 100 fish in one day.
Wow, that's amazing.
And you're trying to get just down to the skin there. Then to be here at this step, I actually would take my hand down by the tail and a hand up by where the head used to be there, and I would stretch it out.
Okay.
And that's how you get that little spacing in between.
Yeah, the gap. Yeah.
On really good drying conditions there, you can be done when drying salmon between 1 and 2 weeks usually.
Okay. Oh my gosh. It's incredible.
So you know how grasshoppers make that clicking sound?
Yep.
Our people actually make a connection between that and starting to make wind-dried salmon now, because at the same time the grasshoppers start making that clicking sound, it's the same time that it is both hot and dry enough to be able to stop making wind-dried salmon. And we actually relate that clicking sound to when we run our knives along the backbone of the salmon here, because when we cut the backbone, it makes that same clicking sound.
That's fascinating.
These were our winter homes, essentially.
It's huge. It doesn't look like this from the outside. How many people would be here in the winter? 2, 3,
maybe even 4 family groups within a pit house. There's evidence of small micro villages all up and down this valley here.
It's pretty rare in the seafood world that I cook with ingredients I haven't cooked with before, especially from British Columbia, because I've cooked salmon so many different ways for so long. Like, the most surprising part, truthfully, was the intensity of flavor. Like, it was really, it spoke of sockeye salmon. Yeah, I mean, honestly, Joshua, like today, thank you. It was an extraordinary day, you know, learning from you down at the river, to see something I'd never seen before, wind drying salmon on the Fraser River it's like this experience, this magical sort of, I don't know, this thing that really speaks to this place, that, you know, your home.
From Whistler and down on the coast and you come over the mountain, it's a whole new different landscape up here around Lilooet and in the interior. And even for myself right there, I like sharing my people's specific culture to kind of show of like just how long my people have been here and what we've been doing here this whole time for thousands and thousands of years there. And we still do it to this day. And this is home, and I always knew down myself there, it's like as soon as I was done anywhere else, I always will come back here no matter what, because I love it here.